What's up, mother cluckers? This is General Tyson of Chicken Salad, here with Captain Cornmeal and Colonel Sanders, also of Chicken Salad. And we're going to show you the Coop, which is basically our Capitol building.
Our studio.
And that too.
Entertainment building.
It's literally, it means everything to us.
Yes.
This is the pool. We swim in it.
This is the cabana. Our extra storage room slash kind of a house. We have things in here. Also we have a grill, which we will later be cooking very delicious burgers that we will share with you, the audience. This is hot tub. Ow. This is hot tub. We swim in here. And that is shed over there. So, over here, this is shed. This is the stuff in the shed. Very junky. We need to clean it. This is retired bases. Grumpy feet. He is very dangerous. He's able to ride away, but he will not be able to catch me. As you can see, I am in this. Ah! Whoopi Beach is very mad. He will get mad at you if you call him by his name. He also has some anger issues and will try to run you over while in his car. This is garage. This is Duke Ball. It is dead, but I can still Gerald Dukin with it.
It is the national sport.
Yes, Gerald Dukin. That is how it is done.
Got anything to say?
Crux Dukin
is fun.
Hey, you made a song.
Oh yeah.
That's a thing.
This next.
As you can see, we've got some tools here as well.
This is bill hook. We use this to chop turkey. This is hammer. We smash turkey skull with this.
What about the,
good for cutting geese bone. And
nail gun? What about the nail gun?
good for sniping turkey enemy.
And crucifying them.
Sure. And pink tape. Very important.
Yes, super important.
For, marking our wisdom.
And a belt sander.
Yes.
And obviously we have all these wrenches here, which we throw at the turkeys, and wood.
This is ping pong table. We entertain ourselves with this.
And we also entertain ourselves with a circular saw.
And this is car.
One car. There are two more cars. There's that car over there and that car over
We
there.
will possibly use this car for our new upcoming rap video that we will post to the internet. If you want to see inside, you can see inside. Very old
Yeah, there's a tape in there. What
yeah,
tape's
it's
in
kind
there?
of broken. If you can see,
Colonel, what tape's in there?
if you can see that, it's kind of broken down and some of it's held together with tape.
I meant the cassette tape.
Oh yes, this cassette tape is
Hold it up to the camera.
Don't think you've had enough.
Never heard of them.
Here's
Here's the data plate on the car.
We might possibly have Grumpy Beats give it a test drive.
Oh my gosh.
In the yard. She's done that before. But yeah. I'm gonna honk it real quick.
Ready? Solid.
If you didn't know already, this tractor right here, it's called the Truckman, as it travels at the speed of digestion. This is banana cycle. Very fast. This is thing. This is inside. As you can see, there are dogs.
Out!
Get out! Okay.
Why
dogs.
did we let dogs in the first place?
I don't know, they're prisoners. This is so kitchen. This is where we keep food. We don't chicken.
Here's a caricature of David.
David, very powerful man, help turkey. We hate him. This is whiskey.
That's not whiskey. That's bourbon.
It's whatever. It's fine. Table. Antiques. We love these. Also, Linus, another possible prisoner.
He's very confused at the moment.
Your days are soon to end, Linus.
That's very morbid, Colonel.
I think Grumpy Beak is on the roof again.
And there's a robot vacuum cleaner here too.
Oh yeah, this is Sir Lewis.
Sir Lewis.
He is a jerk. We hate him.
Right. And then we've got a bunch of games over there, which we barely play.
We have Super Smash Bros. We had this amiibo that one of the prisoners chewed up. I don't even know who this is. It's probably some like chicken thing. I've never heard of this.
It's isn't it from like Pocket Monster or something?
Yeah.
Whatever that franchise is. That there's a Pocket Monster stop or something.
Yeah.
There are more kitchen appliances over here.
Later in a video, we will show you how I make my burgers. Very good. We hate cows, so we can eat cow.
Yep.
This is the moment you have been waiting for.
Studio.
Yeah, this is our studio. So, this is where we mix and master all of our songs.
And then we got a bunch of instruments here.
This is drum kit, the signature orange amp.
There's a keyboard here too. PC3 LE8. Mandolin, a guitar. That's the guitar we use for corn whiskey.
Our favorite drink is Dr. Pepper, obviously. Very good. Tastes very good.
And we got
like seltzer.
We got booze as well. Lots of booze. More booze, which we don't even drink because none of it's whiskey. We like corn whiskey.
We have probably whiskey somewhere.
This is the laundry room. And that's the laundry chute. And in here is the creepy basement.
Yes.
There's all kinds of...
Filter people on. Gotta reset it. Oh my god. This thing sucks. We torture this thing every day because it's really mean to us.
The thing? The basement?
It's filter. Also, if you didn't know already... Oh, I guess we can show this. cat food for prisoners.
We don't starve them to death.
Also, if you didn't know, if you didn't even notice this here already,
there's a door.
there's another door that leads to the outside grounds.